Hello, welcome to eCommunicator. Today I will do a review on the Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo. This shampoo is very necessary for anyone that has damaged hair or signs of damaged hair. What this does is that it has keratin repair actives which quickly repair your damaged hair and any signs of damaged. So, keratin repair actives are proteins that repair your scalp and your scalp skin and your scalp hair. So, keratin is foundational for healthy scalp hair. This product has an average review of 4.5 stars through 5 stars. So the average buyer, customer, and user is very satisfied with Dove Intensive Repair Shampoo. I strongly recommend this shampoo if you have damaged hair or signs of damaged hair. This will rapidly and quickly improve the signs of your damaged hair and its actual damage. And eventually, it will restore the health to your scalp hair. Start using this product immediately. I strongly recommend it. Thanks, thanks for watching eCommunicator.